Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome back with the additional of this Sunday edition, Saturday, Sunday edition, January the 18th, January the 19th, 2025. It's today, Sunday, and I've already solved one puzzle, the 3-star Sudoku. So 3 puzzles are left. By the way, Jigsaw Sudoku, and this one you are interested. It's the 4-star Sudoku number 9933. Before I start, I always count up 20 digits. This one has 24. Let me check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 24. Correct. The 4-star Sudoku in the additional has always 24 printed digits. It's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult, but you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers, then you will need more time to solve that puzzle. But for 4-star puzzle, we need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit. Is this really a 4-star puzzle? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. We have here 2 1s. We have here 3 2s. No, 4 2s. All right. We have here 4 4s. How about the 3s? 1, 2, 3 3s. 2 3 5s. 2 6s. 2 7s. 1 8. And 2 9. So the 2s and the 4s are a majority. Can I start with the 4? Nope. How about the 2? Yeah, 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row. So the row below. Only 2 places left. 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in the first column, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 2 2. 2 2 2. 2 2. Well, will be difficult. Will be difficult. Come on, come on. 1 1 1. In this big square, we need a 1. We have a 1 in third column, no 1 in these 2 boxes. So the 1 in this big square could be here, could be there. 1 in one of those 2 boxes in the first column, 1 in the third column, so the column between. The second column, no, only 2 places left. The 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be there. In this column, we need a 9, the second column. We have a 9 in this big square, so no 9 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 9 in the second column. Should be there. 2 missing numbers now in the second column for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 2 and 8. 2 and 8. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 3 need 3 here, need 3 there, need a 9 here, need a 9 there, need a 9 here. Ay. 5, need a 5 here. Yeah, in the first row we need a 5. Here can be 5, we have a 5 in this column, so no 5 here. These 2 boxes can be 5 because we have a 5 in this big square, so no 5 in these 2 boxes. So the 5 could be here, could be there. Alright. So we have a 5 in one of those 2 boxes in the first row, 5 in the second row. So the third row, the only place left with a 5 should be there. Need a 9, need an 8, and then need a 7. Come on. Yeah, 7. No. Need a 4 here. 6. No. 6. No. 1, 2, 3. Need a 4. Need a 6. 6 should be here or there. Need a 6 there. And need a 7. 6, 7, and the 4. In this row, we have 4 missing numbers. One of the missing number in this row is number 3. We have a 3 in this big square, so no 3 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left on 3 in this row should be there. The other 3 missing numbers in this row are numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing, 7 is missing, and 8 is missing. 6, 7, 8. Okay. 1, 1, 1. Need a 2 here. Need a 4 here. Ay, 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 ay. Need a 9 here. Need a 6 here. Need a 9 here. How about here? This box can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, 4, can be 5. Could be a 6. Can be 7, could be an 8, can be a 9. 6 or an 8 here. Only 1 8 here. One. Come on. Let me put some numbers. 9 in this column, 9 in the second column, so the third column. Only 2 places left on the line. Could be here, could be here. Need an 8 here or there. No 3, no. In this big square, we need a 3. We have a 3 in this row, no 3 in these 2 boxes. We have 3 in the middle column, no 3 in those 2 boxes. So the 3 in this big square could be here, could be there. 3 in one of those 2 boxes in this row, 3 in that row. So the row 3 in the middle row. The only 2 places left with 3 should be here or there. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 there, 3 should be here. And we have a pair in this column. 3 and a 4 in this column. 3 and a 4 in the last column. So the column between, the only 2 places left with 3 and a 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4. We have a 3 in the first row, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 4 goes there. And I've eliminated here the 5, so the 5 goes there. 4 missing numbers here. This one is reserved for the 6 and 8. We need a 5. In this big square, we have a 5 in this column, no 5 in these 2 boxes. The 5 could be here, could be there. 5 in one of those 2 boxes in the last column. 5 in that column, so the column 3. The only 2 places left. The 5 could be here, could be there. So 5, 6, and 8 are left here. So I need a 2, 6, 5, 6, and 8. Okay. 9 in this column, 9 in the column next, so last column, the only 2 places left 9. Could be here, could be there. So these 3 missing numbers, 6, 8, and I need a 1 here. The 1 could be here, could be there. 1 in one of those 2 boxes in this column. 1 in the column next, so last column, the only 2 places left 1 should be here. Or there, we have a 1 in the third row, no 1 there. 1 should be here. 1 in the third row, 1 in the second row. So the first row, only 2 places left. 1 could be here, could be there. Need a 2, need a 8, need a 7. 2, 8, 7. Yeah, I need a 2 and an 8 and a 7. Well, the 8 should be one of these 3 boxes. Here we have an 8, here we have a... So the 8 in this row should be in one of those 2 boxes. We need an 8 here, yeah. Well, we have an 8 in this column, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 1 goes there then. So 1 is left in this row for the number. I believe it's 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1. The 2, the 3, 4 is missing. The 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and the 6, 4 and the 6. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Here we have a 2 and an 8. Then this box should be also 2 and 8. Here. Yeah, 2 and 8. We have a pair. The other pair here in this row are the numbers 1, the 2. 3 is missing. The 4. 5 is the 5. The 6. 7 is missing. 3 and the 7. Let me mark those. So the 7 should be in one of those 2 boxes. 7 in this row, 7 in one of those 2 boxes in the row below. So the third row, the only places left for the 7 could be here, could be there. Okay. No 7 here. 7 should be there. In this mix where we need a 7. We have 7 in the last row. No 7 in these two boxes. We have a 7 in this column. No 7 in those two boxes. So the 7 could be here. Could be there. Okay. In this mix where we need a 7. We have a 7 in this row. No 7 in this box. We have a 7 in this column. No 7 in these two boxes. One box left for the 7 in this big square. Should be there. Eliminated here the 1. So the 1 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7. 8 is missing. 8 and 9. We have 8 in the middle row. No 8 there. 8 should be here. And the 9 goes there. Then we need a number here. I believe the 3. 3 in this column, 3 in the second column, so first column only 2 place level 3 should be here or there. We have 3 in this row, no 3 there, 3 should be there. So here, 2 numbers left, a 4 and a 6. Then I need an 8 here. Yeah, need an 8 here. Yeah. 8, need an 8 here or there. Mark those two boxes earlier with A. 1. We have a 1 in this row, so no 1 there. 1 should be here. So 2 numbers left, the 6 and the 8. We have an 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be here. 6 goes there. 9 and a 5, okay. 2 numbers left now in this column for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing. 5 and 8. Alright. So we have an 8 in this column. Oh, 2 or an 8. We have an 8 now. So this box will be a 2. 2 or an 8. We have a 2 now. So this box will be an 8. 2 or an 8. We have an 8 now. So this box will be a 2. 2 numbers left in this big square. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6. 7 is missing. 8 is missing. 7 and 8. We have 8 in this column. No 8 there. 8 should be here. 7 goes there. Mark those two boxes earlier with a 7. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be there. So 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing. 2 and a 6, 2 and a 6. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 9 and a 5, we have a 9 in the middle, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 1 box left in the middle for number 1. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column, so the column next. Now only 3 places left for the 1 should be here, here, or there. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 in the row below, no 1 there. The only place left for the 1 should be there. 4 or a 6. We have a 6 now in this row, so this box should be a 4. 4 or a 6, we have a 4 here, so this box should be a 6. 4 or 6, we have a 6 now, so this box should be a 4. And 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing, the 7 and 8 is missing. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 8 goes there. 8 and a 5, we have 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 5 goes and there. 2 missing numbers now in this row for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 2 and a 9, 2 and a 9. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 9 goes and there. 2 missing numbers in the last row, or in this big square. Here we have 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 5 is missing. 6, 7, 8, 9. 4 is missing. 4 and a 5. We have a 5 in this column. No 5 there. 5 should be here. 4 goes and there. 4 in this column. 4 in the middle column. So the column next. The only place left. 4. It should be there. 2 missing numbers now in this big square. For the numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing. The 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 6 and 9, 6 and 9. We have a 9 in this column. No 9 there. 9 should be here. 6 goes there. 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column, so the column next. Now only 2 places left. 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be there. Then 6 and the 7. 1 box left now in this row for the number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 3 and a 7, we have 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here. 3 goes there. 7 in this column, 7 in that column, so the column between the middle column, the only place left for the 7 should be here. So the other 2 numbers should be the 6 and the 8. 6 and the 8. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 8 goes there. 6 in this column, 6 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only place left is 6. You there, the final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4 and the 5 is missing. 3 and the 5, 3 and the 5. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 3 goes there. 15 minutes. Well, not faster than 15. Well, let me give this 2 stars. But we solved it again. And I like this one, yes I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it solve myself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with all the 2 puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now.